To all my sisters in Iluan Sorority Skeptron, members, officers, and advisors, I would like to greet you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Shout out lang ko sa inyong officers, advisors, and organizers. Kay Chairwoman Sis Jenny Mendoza, VGS Internal, Sis Shereen Rosel Obaldo, External, kay Sis Celine Desiree Ann Kakanog, Secretary, kay Sis Tash Mariel Taruna, Treasurer, Sis Joan Ventura, Auditor, kay Sis Marian Catmaria, MI Alpha, kay Sis Rosemary Radigos, Kappa, kay Sis Herika Hernandez, Ro, Sis Freneros Guhit Mingaw. Issues and grievances, kay Sis Marie Grichel Villamor Butad, Sis Cheryl Perino, and Sis Cindy Ortega Pipito, and sa inyong advisors, kay Sis Arlene Sanchez Antolihaw, and Sis Jonaline Baton. Sa inyong organizers, kay Sis Jenny Mendoza, Sis Rose Annalyn Rosal, and Sis Jodeline Borgador. I am Brad Ramil Nathan, one of the Five Fingers of Acro, Cebu. May the spirit of Christmas shine your heart and light your path. Enjoy your Christmas party. God bless and long live.